What's up everybody, and welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to be making pan-seared chicken thighs with a side of green collard greens and mushrooms. Now as you can see, I'm chopping up some fresh herbs here. I'm using some thyme, a little bit of rosemary, and also some fresh parsley. I'm going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of some minced garlic. Also just sprinkle in some crushed red pepper flakes, and also about a quarter cup of vegetable oil. You can also use olive oil instead of vegetable oil if you want, perfectly fine. Now I completely forgot to record the scene where I put all my seasonings in, so I'll just go ahead and list them on the side here. Alright, here I got 4 chicken thighs. I'm going to go ahead and take that same spice blend that I made. Now it's basically a poultry seasoning that I made specifically for like anytime I pan-sear any type of poultry, so I'll put that on the side there. Nothing too crazy. Now you want to generously season the top and the back. I'm going to go ahead and take some of my garlic herb mixture and put that on top. Now I really just like to put that on top before I put that in the pan. And that's only because I don't know. I don't know why I do it. I just do it that way. Now I'm going to go ahead and get some vegetable oil nice and hot in a cast iron skillet. And I'm going to add our 4 chicken thighs in there, skin side down first. This is an electric stove problem where you got to kind of move it around a lot. But be sure to just rotate your chicken thighs. As you can see, some of the herb seasoning did come off the top. But that's okay because the bottom will catch it. I promise. Look at that. See? Alright, now I just want to go ahead and really brown both sides, and that's really it. Now we're going to go ahead and add our diced onions in there. I'm using about another quarter to a half cup of diced onions. Go ahead and get those nice caramelized. Then we're going to go ahead and add our chopped collard greens in there. Now you can chop them a little bit smaller than this if you'd like, but I just pretty much did a rough julienne. Alright, now I have some sliced portobello mushrooms here. I'm just going to go ahead and dump those on top. Now I'm going to use that same spice blend I used for the chicken and just put that right on the mushrooms. A-okay. Now you can see they're starting to cook down a bit, and our collard greens are starting to cook down. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a cup of chicken stock, also a cup of white wine, and I'm going to let that go ahead and simmer until the white wine starts to basically cook the alcohol out. Now I'm going to go ahead and add about a cup of heavy cream. Alright, and I'm also going to add about a half cup to a cup of Parmesan cheese. At that stage, you can also add a little bit of shredded mozzarella if you like, but I'm just going to add my Parmesan cheese. Alright, I'm going to let that boil and simmer, and now we're going to add our chicken thighs back into the pan. I guess you can say this is a one-pan recipe because it kind of is. Now let's go ahead and take this and put it in the oven for about 30 minutes at 375 degrees, and this is what you'll get. Make sure you get some of that extra collard greens and mushrooms. Now you can plate this over some pasta. You can eat it by itself, however you like to do it. Whatever your style is, that's how I'm going to do it, over some bow tie pasta. Hope you guys enjoy it.